Hey, Central New York, it's me, Bob Jokel with Hunt Real Estate. Well, it's that time again. It's time for the monthly housing market update for Onondaga County. The February 2025 numbers were just released by the Greater Syracuse Association of Realtors. And so the numbers are pretty interesting. Keep in mind that February this year was the worst February we've had in 10 years as far as snowfall is concerned. And so the weather definitely had an effect on the housing market in February. How much versus last February, we're going to find out right now. We're going to look at the numbers for February uh, as compared to February a year ago. And then we're going to look at year-to-date numbers, which is a combination of January and February. So let's take a look. New listings were down 8.8%, 237 versus 260. And for year to date, they were down 3.7%, 517 versus 537. So the raw numbers year to date aren't that much off. But once again, the fewer listings, new listings we get, the fewer sales we're going to get because buyers really want to see those new listings. And those are the ones that draw everybody's attention. And we're not building inventory with new listings. Some of the other stuff just kind of sits around. Pending sales, those are homes that are under contract, waiting to close. They were down for the month 22.8%, 173 versus 224. Year to date, pending sales were down 18.5%, 380 versus 466. So again, we had fewer new listings, so we have fewer homes going under contract. Closed sales, which are homes that actually changed hands, they successfully sold. For the month, we're down 25.7%, 182 versus 245. And year to date, closed sales were down 11.3%, 449 versus 506. So, less new listings, less pending sales, that it all adds up to less closed sales. Days on the market until sale. For the month of February, that was up 33.3%, 28 days versus 21 days, so a full week longer in order for a house to sell. And year to date was up 23.8%, 26 days versus 21 days. So, that could be the product of the rough February that we had. But it does look like it's taking a little bit longer for those new listings to get under contract. Now, having said all of that, the prices continue to go up. And that has been the pattern for the last 3 years. And so let's look at the median sale price, which is really the best indicator of home prices. The average sale price can be skewed a little bit by some really high-end sales. So the median sale price is a much better indicator of where the market is right now. So the median sale price for February was up 24.5%, $261,000 versus $210,000. That's a difference of $51,500. That's incredible. For year to date, the median sale price is up 17.2%, $252,000 versus $215,000. Again, an increase of $37,000. That really and truly is amazing. And that's just the way it's been going because the inventory is still low for the number of buyers that are out there. And yes, the interest rates did go up, but it's been a couple of years now, and people are understand that the interest rates aren't going down to 3% or less anytime soon. They may never go down that low. Now, the average sale price for the month was up 14.2%, $295,711 versus $259,045. And year to date, the average sale price was up 17.7%, $299,131 versus $254,238. So we're almost at an average sale price for the year of $300,000. That's pretty astounding if you look at where home prices were at pre-COVID. Now, the percent of list price received, which is the ratio between what the asking price was and what the actual sale price was, that started to even out. If you look at some of my previous videos from months past, you'll see that in some months the homes were averaging 105, 106, 107% of full asking price. Well, that's starting to level off, at least so far this year. The percent of list price received for the month of February was up 0.9%, 102.5 versus 101.6%. And year to date, it was down 0.9%, 101.6% versus 102.5%. So now we're getting into, pretty close to, 1 to 2% above full asking price. Now, why is that? Well, we're not getting as many offers. We are getting multiple offers, of course, but we're not getting as many. So, at one point we were getting anywhere from 15 to 25 offers on a house, and so the homes were just going for, remarkably above full asking price. Now we're getting maybe 3, 4, 5 offers, and also the homes are priced higher because of the trend over the last couple of years. So those two things combined have led that number to kind of even off a little bit. Now, the inventory of homes for sale, which is the total number of homes that are out there available, that includes new listings, homes that have been on the market and haven't sold yet, and homes that were sold, went under contract, but the deal fell through and they came back into inventory. Okay, they don't come back as a new listing, but they do go into inventory. So the inventory of homes for sale was up 35.3%, 460 homes for sale versus 340. So that's pretty significant. Let's see if that trend continues. And if that trend continues, if we're not getting new listings, those homes are eventually going to sell, because the month supply of inventory, that number is based on the current market conditions. Under the current market conditions, how long would it take to sell all of the homes that we have out there in inventory? And that was up 50%, 1.5 months worth of inventory versus 1.0 months of inventory. So up a half a month, but we're still talking less than 60 days worth of inventory. And as I've said many, many times, it's still a seller's market. A balanced market is 4 to 6 months worth of inventory. A buyer's market is 6 months or more worth of inventory, and anything under 4 months worth of inventory is a seller's market. So you can see it's still a pretty strong seller's market. So what does this mean? Well, are we going to see more homes come on the market in March if the weather gets milder? So far this week, as I'm talking to you, the weather is going to be a very mild week, and going into next week it's going to be pretty mild. But March, it doesn't mean anything. March can turn around and bite you in a heartbeat. But if the weather continues to stay mild, and we're going into the spring market, we're most likely going to see new listings increase. So that's going to have an effect on everything else. So keep your eye out for my video every month. If you subscribe to my channel and like this video, what will happen is you'll automatically get my monthly market analysis, or the monthly home market updates. You'll get those automatically, and you'll also be able to go into my YouTube channel and look at all of the other informative videos that I have there. I think you'd probably appreciate some of them. They'd be very good for any different aspects of buying or selling a home. So I hope that these numbers were helpful for you. I hope that you're having a great day, and reach out to me if you're looking to buy or sell a home. I hope to hear from you. Until next month, we'll see you.